How to fix a blinking ghost disposable vape.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to fix a blinking ghost disposable vape. If you're experiencing this issue, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the blinking issue. So, let's dive right in.
Checking the battery.
The first thing you should do when your ghost disposable vape is blinking is to check the battery. Sometimes, a blinking light indicates that the battery is running low or needs to be recharged. Here's what you can do. 1. Remove the disposable vape from the packaging if you haven't done so already. 2. Inspect the battery indicator light on the device. If it's blinking, it's likely an indication of a low battery. 3. Connect the vape to a charger using the appropriate charging cable. Ensure that it's properly connected and charging. 4. Wait for the battery to charge fully. This may take some time depending on the device and its battery capacity.
Troubleshooting the connection.
If the blinking issue persists after charging the battery, it's possible that the connection between the battery and the cartridge is not secure. Here's what you can try. 1. Detach the cartridge from the battery by twisting or pulling it off, depending on the model. 2. Inspect the contact points on both the cartridge and the battery. Look for any dirt, debris, or residue that may be obstructing the connection. 3. Clean the contact points using a cotton swab lightly moistened with isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe the contact points to remove any contaminants. 4. Reattach the cartridge to the battery, ensuring a snug and secure connection.
Resetting the vape.
If the battery is charged, and the connection is clean and secure, but the ghost disposable vape continues to blink, you can try resetting the device. Here's how. 1. Remove the cartridge from the battery. 2. Locate the reset button on the vape, if it has one. It's usually a small pinhole button located on the battery or near the contact points. 3. Press and hold the reset button using a toothpick or a small, pointed object for a few seconds. 4. Release the reset button and reattach the cartridge to the battery.
Contacting customer support.
If none of the previous steps have resolved the blinking issue with your ghost disposable vape, it's advisable to reach out to customer support for further assistance. They will have more in-depth knowledge about the device and can guide you through additional troubleshooting steps or advise on the best course of action to take. And there you have it. We've covered the essential steps to fix a blinking ghost disposable vape. Remember to check the battery, troubleshoot the connection, reset the device if necessary, and reach out to customer support if the issue persists. We hope this video has been helpful in resolving the problem you're facing. Thanks for watching, and happy vaping!